While you were sleeping, the death toll has continued rising after tornadoes and wildfires ripped across several states.
ABC's Andrew Dimbert brings us a look at the aftermath and explains how that same storm system presents new dangers today.
Overnight, the death toll climbing in wake of that dangerous storm system that swept through the heartland. Dozens of tornadoes touching down this weekend, leaving at least 40 people dead and carving a path of destruction across 8 states from Missouri to Alabama.
All she could say was, "Mama, her house is gone. It's leveled, and it's leveled."
Near Mobile, at least 3 killed. Anita Owens' mother among the victims.
You wouldn't think just a wind and tornadoes would do this much devastation.
Similar scenes in Mississippi. Our Ginger Z is there.
It's kind of amazing to think here at the Paradise Ranch RV Resort that no one was hurt. Many of the cabins were not occupied at the time. The manager tells us they are so grateful it happened this weekend and not next, when they expect more than 250 campers here.
In Georgia, a tornado confirmed west of Atlanta.
It sounded like a war zone.
All you heard were things flying around, hitting the side of the house, glass shattering.
The National Guard deployed to Arkansas, where an EF3 packing 165-mile-per-hour winds flattened buildings.
You can feel the pressure, hear the intensity.
Missouri has the highest death toll, with at least a dozen lives lost.
Something hit the side of the truck, just flipped it over and blew up.
This man rescued his aunt after her home was leveled.
She was trapped in that bedroom, only room standing left of this house. She was trapped in it. We got her out the window.
Winds from the same storm system fanning wildfires in Oklahoma, leaving at least 4 people dead and 400 homes damaged. This man playing the bagpipes outside his home, lost in the fire, vowing to rebuild. Andrew Dimbert, ABC News, New York.